So today we're going to do part 2 of the ab series. Hopefully you all enjoyed part 1 and you started to include some of those exercises into your daily ab routine. I'm going to show you some new exercises that you may or may not already be using in your ab routines and your ab workouts. Again, a couple quick reminders. Just as I said before, you want to keep your volume high, and all that means is lots of sets and lots of reps. So somewhere between 3 and 5 sets of each exercise and somewhere between 15 and 25 reps of each exercise. If you need to stay on the lower end, for you beginners, if you need to stay on the lower end of those sets and reps, that's okay. You want to start from wherever you are. Start from your current fitness level and work your way up. It's all about a progression and building to where you want to be to get the look that you want. Also, you want to do this consistently. Consistently is daily. For me, daily is somewhere between 5 and 6 days a week. For you, it's okay if it's somewhere between 3 and 5 days a week, but you want to be consistent. So let's go ahead and get started. The first exercise I'm going to show you guys today is a pike. And the pike, basically you want to balance yourself on your butt, put your hands right by your sides. Your legs are going to start, or your feet are going to start straight out in front of you. You kind of want to point your toes with this, lean back slightly, and then bring your knees to your chest and lay back again. Okay? Inhale on the way down, exhale on the way up. Alright? So that's the first exercise. The second one. This one starts in a plank position. And the plank is just simply this, elbows and toes. You don't want your butt too high, you don't want your stomach too low, right there in the middle, okay? I'm going to scoot back some. So we're in this position, and what we're going to do, these are called dog birds. So you're going to lift your right arm and your left leg. And then you're going to switch, okay? So that's the dog bird. From here, we're just going to turn over again on our backs and go with the traditional crunch. So your hands are going to be straight up toward the ceiling, and you're going to reach for the ceiling while you keep your low back on the floor. Exhale on the way up, inhale on the way down. And you also want to make sure that you come all the way back to your next exercise, guys. It's called a Russian twist. I'm going to demonstrate it with a ball. This ball only weighs about 4 pounds. Normally I use a 4-pound ball, maybe 5. At the heaviest, a 10-pound ball, depending on the client that I'm working with or whether or not I'm training myself. I like to go heavy with everything that I do. It's okay if you don't. But all you're going to do here is balance on your butt. You don't want to cross your ankles, but you want to keep your feet together, and you twist left and right. Very simple. Now if you don't have a ball, use your hands. Same motion. You want to make sure that you touch the ground on both your left and your right sides. Okay? Now another technique, this is going to be the last one I'll show you guys for part 2 of the ab series. This I call the sprinter crunch. So you start from a laid back, from this position, laying flat on your back, and you're going to bring your elbow, your right elbow, to your left knee, and switch. Right elbow to left knee, left elbow to right knee. And you want to balance on your butt when you get to the top of the exercise, keeping your back straight, chest up. Again, exhale on the way up, inhale on the way down. So those are some more exercises that you guys can use. Again, you want to keep your reps high, somewhere between 15 and 25. On the lower end, somewhere between 10 and 15. And you want to keep your sets high as well. Somewhere between 3 and 5 sets on the low end, somewhere between, on the high end, somewhere between 3 and 5 sets. On the low end, somewhere between 1 and 3 sets. Use those exercises, include them in your workout, and again, live well, eat clean, and always train hard. I'll see you guys next time.